Hi, my name is Harshini Srinath. During my summer internship at PSS, I worked on three projects: power electronics, RMF, FRC generation, and GPU parallelization. For power electronics, I worked on designing a thermal management system for a 100-watt 27.12 MHz Class E RF board. I simulated the board in LT-SPICE, redesigned the PCB, and soldered, assembled, and tested two boards. With my cooling system, there was about a 67% increase in output power compared to the previous design. I also worked on simulating RMF FRC generation and implemented boundary conditions for the circular plasma wall, circular flux conserver, and octagonal RMF antennas, and achieved a sufficient BZ drop for field reversal. I presented my work at monthly DARPA meetings. My last project was GPU-based parallelization, and I used C++ and CUDA to achieve a 7.78 times speedup in plasma simulation runtime.